Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're exploring the ideal growing conditions for russet potatoes. Let's get started. Russet potatoes thrive in cool, temperate climates. They prefer temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 15 to 21 degrees Celsius. Plant in a climate that provides a long, cool growing season. Russet potatoes grow best in well-draining sandy loam soil with a pH between 5.5 and 7.0. Enrich the soil with compost or well-rotted manure before planting. Plant russet potatoes in early spring, as soon as the soil can be worked. In mild winter regions, plant in late summer for a fall harvest. Here are a few tips for planting russet potatoes. First, chitting. Allow seed potatoes to sprout before planting. Second, planting depth. Plant seed potatoes 4 inches deep and 12 inches apart in rows 2 to 3 feet apart. And finally, hilling. Mound soil around the stems as the plants grow. With the right climate, soil, and timing, you can enjoy a bountiful crop of russet potatoes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!